Welcome to A Spoonful of Shauna. I'm a culinary dietitian and I teach you really healthy recipes. So today we are going to be making a ginger pear smoothie. So people often ask, should I make smoothies or should I do juicing? So my preference is for you to do smoothies. If you decide to do juicing, what happens is you get rid of a lot of the fiber because you're putting the vegetables or fruit into a juicer and the fiber comes out. So I would rather you eat the fiber than get rid of the fiber. When you're choosing a snack, you want to choose snacks that are high in fiber and have healthy fats, healthy proteins, and rolled oats are really good. So you can make some overnight oats. But today I'm going to show you how to make some little granola bites. So this particular recipe is really good for breakfast, for snacking, and you can even have it for lunch or dinner. We're making two types of toast. So we're first going to make a caprese style toast, and secondly, a peanut butter and banana type of toast. So first off, I would like to go through how to buy bread. So if you can see, salmon over a medley of roasted root vegetables. Then I did a chive drizzle.
This is a good dish. It's a very good dish.
Thank you, Chef.
You cooked the salmon perfectly. The vegetables taste good. You seasoned it right. The chive sauce, I mean, that's a great idea, and I commend you for that because it really tastes good.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thanks,
Thank
Chef.
Changes. Welcome.
Thanks for having me back, Daniel.
Yeah, no worries. So what are the major changes to our food guide?
So the major change, as you can see here, we are showing Canadians how to eat by the plate theory. Half of the plate should be different colored vegetables. You can see the broccoli, the carrots, the sugar snap peas, red pepper, color, color, color.
Yum.
With color, we get more phytochemicals, which are plant chemicals, which are really healthy for us.
You're in the nutrition science business, eh?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, you want to give us a handy-dandy definition of what that means off the top?
So I'm a registered dietitian, so you can call registered dietitians food and nutrition experts. So we take the scientific knowledge and we put it into practical terms for the public.